In this video, I will show you how to delete old Windows Update files in Windows 11. If you want to delete old Windows Update files in Windows 11 to free up space, here's a step-by-step guide. So the first option that you have is to use this cleanup. So click on WinR on your keyboard and enter clean-mgr on the Run application. Now in here, go ahead and select your C drive and click on OK. Click on Clean Up System Files and then select C drive again. Now check Windows Update Cleanup and click OK to delete old update files. The second option that you have is to manually delete update files. To do that, you'll need to reopen the Run application and enter services.msc and hit enter. So find Windows Update into this pop-up. So this will pop up on your screen. So in here, go ahead and look for Windows Update. And then, once you found Windows Update, you'll need to go ahead and right-click on it. So right-click on it and select Stop. So open File Explorer and then head over into Windows Software Distribution/download and then delete all files inside the download folder. Now go back to Services and right-click Windows Update and select Start. Now if that doesn't work as well, the last option that you have is to restart your PC. And that's basically how you can delete old Windows Update files in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos.